Our Eternity fly rod series is our flagship series of fly rod blanks. We spend an awful lot of time developing these and have continued to expand models each year. From a construction standpoint, multi-modulus blanks, I think we're using 3 different materials in certain models. My real design goal with these, frankly, was to have a fast rod with feel. Very difficult to achieve that. Too often, many of the faster rods on the market, you have to put a lot of line in the air before you can feel what's happening with the fly line. This series, we've got it tweaked to where even at intermediate distances, you have really good control and feel with the line.
In our high-end series, our Eternity fly blanks is a cobalt blue series. It's been out for a while. This is our extra fast series. This is those windy days when you really want to punch a line. It's a fast action rod. We do it everything from a 4-weight all the way up to a 12-weight. These are all 4-piece models. I know that we've developed some new models for different folks, but the Eternity fly blanks is it's our high-end fly blank.
We added this year a Euro nymphing model, the 10.5-foot 4, and then we also came out with a 9-foot 4-weight, which is a real popular trout model when you want to make a little bit longer casts. A lot of times in a 4-weight, guys will drop down to an 8 or 8.5 footer. We brought out the 904, a lot of requests for that. Not a bad rod to use if you're in a float tube or whatever either.
People compare it to some of the higher end fly blank companies out there. The actions, the durability, all around great blank. And it comes in that beautiful cobalt blue. And it's been a great series for us. And we continue to grow that series also. The fly market is starting to make a little comeback, which is great to see. The fly market's up and down. But with this Eternity, if you want the best of the best and you want to build your own, I would definitely take a look at the Eternity series.